Hello guys, it's me Blue and I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to DIY this amazing beehive decor. Let's dive in. First things first, get an egg carton. The color doesn't matter because we are painting it later. Armed with your scissors, start cutting each part individually. Tidy them up like shown. Start cutting in a plus pattern. Open it and curve out the edges so it looks like a flower. Do the rest. Now onto the fun part. Wait, you guessed it. Golden spray paint. These were a little tricky. Second batch, armed with your black paint and brush, start painting. Backside too. More sticks, same thing. Pour water in a plastic container. Spray paint the water. Use stick to create design. Dip our painted stick, black side in. Some gold leaves. Assembly. Glue gun. This part is pretty self-explanatory. Make another one with our gold textured sticks. Start adding shelves. Add sticks on each corner. Coconut shells. Add our flowers.